Hello, I'm Russ from RT Sales. This is one of our rebuilt crankshaft grinders. This model is a Winona Van Norman CG-250. When we rebuild the machine gets completely disassembled. The table is taken off, sent to the grinder where it's reground, brought back, fitted to the base. The head and tail stock are then completely rebuilt with new bearings on both the head and tail stock. Also, all of the electric motors are all completely sent to the motor rebuilder and redone. Then the machine, the spindle head is completely gone through. Hydraulic system is completely rebuilt with the motor being rebuilt, the pump rebuilt. All the regulators, everything are replaced with new stuff. The spindle motor is also rebuilt. Then the coolant system, with the machine comes with a brand new coolant pump. Everything is reassembled. The automatic dresser is completely rebuilt and gone through. We reassemble the machine after everything has been completely gone through, either rebuilt or inspected. Headstock motor is also rebuilt. Hand wheel mechanism is completely gone through. Steady rest is rebuilt. And then of course we test grind a crankshaft on it. Typically the machine comes in and will grind better than a new machine. As you can see, Mel's bringing the wheel in here. Good back. Control panel is all gone through and completely rebuilt, all of the switches replaced. Give us a call for price and availability of this machine as well as several others that we have rebuilt, reconditioned, and as well as just used. Thank you and have a great day.